of. So my plea is in future, all the domains, we need to also get the information about the turnaround time from the QCTO, because we comply, but sometimes we get disappointed whereby we don't get feedback within.
It's not that way too, because if two students are sitting next to each other, they don't even get the same questions, even though they're writing the same subject.
The same learners write the same thing, but they don't have the same questions.
Ago, I think, ma'am, if you can, maybe just provide me with the list of your learners, and then I'll look into it, make follow-ups with the relevant.
Good afternoon. My name is Glenda Ramatava, an SDP in Limpopo, and my company is called Billion Designs. I came here today with expecting to get assistance with outstanding accreditations, and literally by just engaging David Thaga, my issue got sorted. Also, I learned a lot of things around SAQA uploading of students from Mr. Tobakal. So I'm very grateful for this session. It's always an eye-opening.
Hi, I'm Gerbi Meer from ASDSA. I represent the Limpopo region provincial providers with a QCTO as well. It's a recently established committee and forum that's been put together to represent private providers in the Limpopo province. I want to say thank you very much to the QCTO for the workshop, the capacitation workshops the last 2 days. It was absolutely fantastic. The QCTO addressed the concerns of the skills development providers. Yes, there's still many areas that we need to address, but it's a road that we are walking with the QCTO. They've provided information, guidance, support to all of the providers, and it was very, very professionally done. Thank you.
Good day all, my name is Mfuno Matozi from AG Tax Office in Makhado. We're a service provider. We offer QCTO training. From yesterday we were attending a workshop with QCTO. It was very informative. 2 days worth of experience, good experience. They spoke about ASA. We've learned a lot. I think QCTO must do a lot of this workshop, and you must come to Twando, because you are always coming to Polokwane. Please come to Twando, and maybe you must have somebody who can translate to Chivenda. This workshop was very informative, how we can be compliant. That was the most interesting part on my side.